Hi, I'm Brandon with Wilding Wallbeds, and I want to talk a little bit about why IKEA does not make Murphy beds. To many people, the furniture giant IKEA is heaven on earth. They've got trendy styles, great prices, and delicious meatballs. As you search through their catalog online or wander through one of their mega stores, you'll notice that there aren't any Murphy beds. And the reason for that comes down to their construction material. They rely heavily on manufactured wood called particle board. Murphy beds hold a lot of stored energy, so the construction material matters. You think about it as it opens, as you're laying on the bed, there's just a lot of stress on those materials, and something like particle board just doesn't hold up. This is not an attack on IKEA. They have great products, great prices, and really an amazing company. There just really is a reason that they don't sell Murphy beds. So if you can't get a Murphy bed from IKEA, where do you get those IKEA style Murphy beds, but with the quality of materials needed to make a durable Murphy bed? Wilding Wallbeds has a wide variety of options where you get to choose the style, the wood, the finish, and really make it your own. If you like IKEA's styles, then you've got to check out products like the Remington, the Dakota, the Scape, offer those same clean, slick lines, really trendy styles, amazing colors, but made out of real wood. Real wood furniture will last a lifetime, whereas particle board is really only designed to last a couple of years. Customer service is also crucial with a Murphy bed. This is a large purchase, and it really is something that should last a lifetime. So being able to get on the phone with someone, meet with someone, to work with someone as you pick the best options for you to allow you to design something perfect for your home. Innovative functionality is also important to consider where it's going, how it's going to be used, what other use you want to get out of the room other than just a guest bed. Being able to work with someone on that is so helpful, and at Wilding Wallbeds we're always available to pick up the phone, to video chat, whatever we can do to help make the process easier for you to help design a bed that is perfect for your space. So if you're looking for IKEA styles but made out of high quality real wood, look no further than Wilding Wallbeds.